As Tamil Nadu moves closer to the 2026 assembly elections, a major political question is creating buzz across the state. Will Congress continue its long-time alliance with the Dravida Munnetra Karagam, or will it switch sides and join actor turned politician Vijay Tamiraga Vetri Karagam? The DMK and Congress have shared a strong partnership for years. In the 2021 assembly elections, the DMK came to power with 133 seats and around 37.7% vote share. But inside the alliance, all may not be well. Reports suggest that Congress leaders in the state are unhappy. In 2021, the DMK contested 173 seats, while Congress got only 25. Many Congress leaders feel their growth is limited under the shadow of the DMK. In fact, Congress's vote share dropped compared to the 12.5% it secured in the 2019 Lok Sabha elections. Some believe the alliance has slowly weakened the party's independent strength in Tamil Nadu. Now, a new possibility is emerging. Actor Vijay's party, Tamiraga Vetri Karagam or TVK, is said to have reached out to Congress for an alliance. TVK is a new party, but it is already attracting attention, especially among youth and women voters. Surveys suggest TVK alone could secure around 12 to 15% vote share. If Congress joins hands with TVK, their combined strength could touch nearly 20%, making them a serious force in the election. For Vijay, this alliance would bring political credibility and organizational support across districts. For Congress, it could mean contesting more seats and rebuilding its own base instead of playing junior partner. But this move is risky. If Congress leaves, the DMK could lose around 5 to 10% vote share in close contests. History shows that even small shifts in Tamil Nadu politics can change results dramatically. In 2006, the DMK formed a government with just 26.5% vote share because of strong allies. In 2001, when alliances shifted, power changed hands completely. However, there is another side of the story. If Congress splits from the DMK, the biggest beneficiary might not be TVK, it could be the NDA. A divided opposition could help the BJP-led alliance win seats even without a huge vote share. There are three possible outcomes. 1. Congress and TVK emerge as a strong third force. 2. The split weakens the DMK and indirectly helps the NDA. Or 3. The DMK still becomes the single largest party, forcing Congress to support it after the elections, but from a stronger position. Beyond Tamil Nadu, this decision also affects national politics. The DMK is one of the Congress's key allies in parliament. A breakup could weaken opposition unity against the BJP at the national level. For Congress, this is a high-stakes gamble. Stay in a safe alliance with limited growth or take a bold step that could either revive the party or push it further into uncertainty. If Congress joins hands with TVK, the 2026 Tamil Nadu elections may turn into the most unpredictable political battle the state has seen in decades. And that's why all eyes are now on Congress.